LegalLawGPT, your GenAI-powered legal assistant. Have you ever tried reading a legal document and felt completely lost? You're not alone. Legal documents are long, they're complex, they're filled with technical jargon, and they're incredibly hard to search through manually. Now imagine if you could just ask questions in plain English and get structured, accurate, and legally sound answers instantly. That's exactly what we set out to solve with LegalLawGPT. LegalLawGPT is a GenAI-powered legal assistant. It uses cutting-edge AI technologies like Retrieval-Augmented Generation, few-shot prompting, and embeddings to make legal documents accessible to everyone. Whether you're a law student, a practicing lawyer, or just someone trying to understand a court case, LegalLawGPT can help you navigate the law with confidence. Let's break down what makes LegalLawGPT so powerful. First, document understanding. We start by uploading a legal document, usually a case brief in PDF format. Using LangChain's PIPDF loader and PyMU PDF, we extract every bit of useful content from the document. Then, we split the content into manageable pieces, or chunks. Why? Because large language models have token limits, and smaller chunks make it easier to search and retrieve the most relevant information later. Second, embeddings. This is where the magic of semantic understanding comes in. Each chunk is passed through Google's Gemini embedding model, also known as Text Embedding 004. What this does is convert each chunk into a vector dash, a mathematical representation of meaning. We also convert the user's question into a vector, and then use Cosine similarity to find the chunks that best match the query. It's like searching by meaning, not just by keywords. Third, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. RAG combines the user's question with the top matching document chunks and feeds them into a prompt for the language model to generate a final response. This makes the answer not just intelligent, but grounded in the real document, so it's more factual, more relevant, and more trustworthy. Fourth, few-shot prompting. We use carefully designed prompts that tell the model, "You are a legal expert, answer in bullet points, reference legal terms or clauses where applicable." This ensures the responses are well-structured, formal, and easy to interpret, just like a real lawyer might answer. Let's look at an example. We asked LegalLawGPT, "What does recklessness mean in a legal context?" It searched the document, found the most relevant sections, and then generated a clear bullet point explanation using legal terminology. That's GenAI at work, answering legal questions using real legal sources. But we're not stopping here. If given more time, we'd love to expand LegalLawGPT with new features like clause-level summarization, where each legal section is explained in plain English, a chat-based user interface using Streamlit or Gradio, auto-indexing of more case files pulled directly from legal portals, and support for bilingual legal documents like English and Hindi. Eventually, this tool could become a law practice co-pilot, helping lawyers draft arguments, search precedents, and even prep for court. LegalLawGPT isn't just a student project, it's a glimpse into the future of legal research, powered by the latest advancements in generative AI. We've combined powerful tools like OpenAI, Gemini, ChromaDB, and LangChain to make the law easier to understand for everyone. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and feel free to explore the code and project details on my Kaggle notebook. Until next time, stay curious and keep building with GenAI.